So today is a really exciting day for Gerb and I both. Today, Gerb and I start the motor swap. Well, I can't say start because he got a little head start on it yesterday. I started taking a few things apart. I think it was the right side of the harness he started taking apart, but or no, the left side of the harness. But today, hopefully we're gonna be getting a lot more done and getting ready to take the Z3 out and swap in that 24a. I'm really excited for this. Not only am I excited for Gerb because I know he's been waiting a long time to swap this motor in, and he's had this plan for a long time coming. He's got the RBB1. I know the RBB3 is another popular K24a. So we're gonna start on that today. I'm headed over there right now. Got all my tools, got my jack, and hopefully we can get some good progress done today. And I'm also excited because down the road, of course, if my Z3 ever goes on me, I definitely do plan on doing a K24 swap. So this is gonna be good practice for me. Definitely gonna be a learning experience. I've never swapped a motor before, and neither has Gerb. I know he did he swapped out the head on his D series, but this is going to be our first official long block swap. So it's definitely going to be a learning experience for Gerb and I both. And like I said, down the road, I'm going to want to go 24. So this is going to be a big learning experience for us both, as I've said. And couldn't be more excited. Let's get to it, fam. Just pulled up to Gerb's, and my boy already got started on this a little bit.
Yeah. Slowly but surely.
What do we got left to do, bro?
Too much.
Too much?
Way too much, man.
She's pissing off some coolant right now, getting that all leaked out. My boy made a little bit of a mess.
Yeah, I'm killing the environment.
I was just about to say.
Gotta do engine oil next. I gotta do transmission fluid. Yeah, and just keep tinkering with everything here. Probably gonna have to take off the alternator. I gotta get to the AC compressor. I'm not gonna disconnect the whole compressor. I just need to get it off of the block, and it'll sit down there on this. But yeah, moving right along here. Just wired up everything earlier. Got my slave. Look at how shot that thing is. Doesn't even retract. And then I need a new shift fork.
I thought you would have K-tuned.
Listen to this.
What is that?
My shift fork's fucked.
Damn,
yeah, dude. Look at it. It's fucking shot. It's not supposed to be like that. Look at this, dude.
Oh, shit.
The spring's gone in it.
Yep.
It's probably wearing out my clutch.
This thing's a lemon, bro.
Yeah, it is. I want my money back.
This thing's a lemon. Thankfully, we got the 24 going in, though. So I'm draining the oil right now. She's coming out looking nice and dirty. Love to see that.
AM's oil, baby.
Oh, dude, AM's oil is the best. AM's oil is the best. So now we're gonna be draining out the tranny fluid, 17 up top and a 3/8 drive ratchet on the bottom to get that out.
Oh, woo.
Gerb just got it cracked.
Yes, I did.
Oh, look at these new Hawk performance pads.
Nope, not Hawks.
These aren't Hawks?
Actually, no, these are AutoZone Golds. Hawks are in the back.
Hawks are in the backs.
I'm gonna put the Hawk fronts on, and I'm gonna do the Raybestos front rotors once.
You're gonna resurface them? Nah, get new ones.
No, I'm getting new ones.
Yeah.
Because those are cheap crap.
Yep.
All right.
The swap is going down, yo. The swap is going down.
See, you guys can see right there. It's kind of hard to see it, but there it goes. All right. Let's see how dirty this stuff is.
Tranny fluid coming out now, guys. Ooh.
Shit's clean, dude, huh?
Yeah, dude, it is. There you go. Tranny fluid is coming out, guys. She's looking pretty damn clean. Yo, when's the last time you did a tranny fluid change on this?
You know, I gotta tell you, man. Probably 30K. 30,000 miles ago, maybe.
She's looking good, dude.
Honda OEM for the win, man.
Yo, you know what? Might want to invest in a magnetic transmission fluid drain plug.
Yeah, maybe I'll get one. After this, guys, we'll be ready to pull the Axle shafts out. I just got to disconnect some stuff here, but literally all the fluid's out right now, so slow progress, but it's something, you know.
We'll get there, bro. We'll get there.
That's it. No, this is free to go, dude.
So basically, we just unbolted the top radiator support bar, and we're ready to take her out.
Don't forget the harness in the back. Right here, that thing. It's for your fans. Fold this off to the side.
Gerb folding her. Radiator's ready to come out.
We got to get 10 millimeters for the fan shrouds, disconnect this sensor here. Couple clamps, obviously, nothing major. You guys know the deal.
What's this?
That's from the bracket resting on it.
This is aluminum?
Yup. Aluminum, boy! $100, $100.
100, dude, that's a steal. Yep. I might have to invest in a Skunk 2 Alpha radiator
turn off.
for the FA.
Should get one, they're fire.
Or a Mishimoto. Let me know down in the comments which one I should get.
Should just come right out, yeah.
Fan shroud out. In order to get this fan
This
out,
has gotta be.
obviously you gotta take out this hose right
This has
here.
gotta come back, dude. All right, that should be good. All right, twist this thing off.
Pull out game strong.
G plus, boy.
Pull out game strong, right, Gerb?
Hell yeah. Yeah, hell no. Hell no. All right, I gotta grab this clamp.
Look at that clean hose. G plus. K-tune.
eBay, bro.
That's that K-tune. So basically now we got to take off this bottom hose. I just got this little bracket off right there for the sensor. Gerb unplugged her. Once we get that hose off, she should slide right up. The radiator is out. And man, did this guy have a lot of coolant in his car.
Yeah, gallon plus, dude.
A lot of coolant. So now we're draining the rest of her. We already got some all over the mat.
Yeah, don't do your coolant like this, guys. Do it more clean.
Yo, it's still dripping out over there, dude.
I'm done with this.
Drip, drip.
Good thing we got a tarp down.
Yo, this Z3 is too cool. She got extra cooling powers. So we're taking off the AC compressor right now. Gerb got the top bolts. Now I'm going down on the bottom with a 3/8 drive extension in my 12 mil. Got them cracked already. Now I just got to get the bolts off. And we're going to pull out the
label on that
AC compressor. We're not going to let Freon out because really we don't need to inhale any of that shit. Getting out this last bolt for the AC compressor. And she's ready to come off. I think this bolt is off.
Yeah, it is. Yep, okay.
This one's not bad, but guys, take a look at this other bolt. I cracked this with a 1/4 and a 1/4 drive ratchet, and it was not an easy task.
Yo, that's a heavy ass unit. Now I know why people delete this AC.
Look at those threads, all that corrosion, rust.
Like I said, we're not disconnecting any AC lines. So I'm gonna leave this here. I might have to swap my K20 AC bracket onto the K24 because I don't know if the JDM is gonna be the same as that. So I don't know if this is gonna sit up on it right, but yeah, she's sitting there right now like that. Probably gonna start removing some more hoses on this side and the back for the heater core. And that's pretty much it. Keep tinkering along here. But it's soon to be pulled, guys. Very, very soon. I never
stop wrenching. So this is the motor that is going in the FG.
Come on, people can't know.
Yo,
man.
I can't even see anything, yo.
People can't know.
Where's the cover to the 24? I mean, like...
Here, here's a new crank for your supercharged SI, bro.
Dude, this is mint. Look at that.
Isn't it crisp?
Minty fresh. She's all chained up. She's ready to go on the hoist.
Gerbo tired.
Yo, Gerb tired from wrenching already, yo.
Ain't got energy like I used to.
I'm disappointed, bro.
I don't have energy like I used to, you know? For real.
Your boy ready to keep going.
Yo, tell him about that clamp. No, seriously.
Dude,
show him the clamp.
Yo.
I'm not happy about it.
This clamp gave us a run for our money, I'll tell you that right now. Yo, so this clamp right here is the devil. This hose right here was held on by this clamp, and apparently this hose has never been taken off. Straight up original. Hopefully there's no damage to the hose. If it were me personally, I'd probably get a new one just to be safe. But basically, we had to take a couple flatheads, pliers and whatnot, and it took us a good amount of time just to get this clamp off. It was...
Pay somebody to swap.
It was freaking stuck on... Chill.
Pay somebody to swap for you.
Chill, nah. Why are you saying that?
It's easier.
Are you serious? Hell no.
The problem with that is, yeah, it's easier, but you don't know if the job's done right. Yo, check it.
We hoisting her. She's coming up. Harbor Freight 1-ton hoist. Some guy tried talking this man into getting a 2-ton hoist. That's ridiculous.
Dude, I wouldn't have been able to fit it in my car.
Dude, I know someone who runs a 1/2-ton hoist and did a K-swap.
Really?
Yeah, yo, Hollister Garage.
Are you for real?
Yeah, dude, he's got a 1/2-ton.
Shout out, Turbo FG2, boy.
Yep. RBB,
You guys can see,
RBB
slow version, trash.
Don't worry, I got a Sharpie. We'll fix it right up.
All right, bet. I'll put a 3 right there, or a 2.
So, the real reason I took this van here, you know, it's got a lot of space. I'm here to take this motor off his hands. So she's going in the FA5.
Did you show him this?
Yeah, dude. No, I'm playing. She's staying with Midnight.
Yeah, I'm just honestly tired from that trying to dig with this thing, dude. We had to take like 2 flatheads to get it under. I don't know why Honda uses those type of clamps. These are fine. These ones are fine, but this other one, it was like a dual clamp.
Yeah, why do they got these 2 little thin freaking...
It's 2 separators on it, you know? So they act like the hose is gonna come off.
And they bend. Look how fragile and thin that is. They just bend as you clamp them down, and then you're stuck. So that hose...
What am I at for?
That hose was a biatch to get off, but she is off. Backyard budget. You gotta love this, guys. Doing what you can with what you got.
$1,500 budget build, bro. That's what it is.
We're taking after 79th Productions out here, yo.
That kid's, yo, shout out that dude. He's doing big things,
yo.
bro.
Shout out.
I met him.
Dude, I know. I seen. Yo, quick shout out 79th Productions. Definitely a lot of respect going out to this guy. Crazy. The guy's got like a $500 budget Civic build. I know he did like an $800 Miata build. He's got an Accord build. He's got a Prelude, I'm pretty sure. Dude, that guy knows what he's doing.
Hit me up if you're interested in a K20 motor. I don't know if I'm selling it 100% yet, but it is kind of on the market right now, so
how much?
Shoot me an offer. It's got high miles. 1,400 or best offer.
1,400 or best offer for the Z3.
You heard the man.
Hit him up. Hit him up. Instagram down below.
Defeat them now.